Ever wanted to make money online but felt like you needed some kind of super skill or a fancy degree? Well, not anymore. In 2025, there are more ways than ever to earn from your laptop or even your phone, with zero special skills. Stick around till the end because I'm saving one surprisingly easy method for last that most people overlook. Welcome to Money Map, your ultimate guide to navigating the online income world. Now, let's jump in. 1. Get paid to test websites and apps. Big companies spend thousands making sure their websites and apps are easy to use, and they pay everyday people to help them test. Your job is simple. Sign up on sites like User Testing, Try My UI, or Platus Cloud, follow the tasks they give you, and talk through your experience. Most tests take 5 to 20 minutes and pay $5 to $60 each. The more detailed your feedback, the more likely you are to get higher-paying gigs. All you need is a computer or smartphone, internet connection, and the ability to speak your thoughts clearly. 2. Microtasks and online gigs. Have small chunks of free time. You can turn them into cash by completing microtasks like categorizing images, labeling products, transcribing a sentence, or even recording your voice for AI training. Platforms such as Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Microworkers have thousands of quick jobs available every day. It's not a full-time income, but it's a great way to make a few extra dollars while waiting for the bus, relaxing at home, or even during lunch breaks. 3. Search engine evaluation. Every time you Google something, there's a team of real people making sure the results are relevant. That's where search engine evaluators come in. Companies like Appen and Telus International hire you to check if search results and ads match what people are actually looking for. It pays around $10 to $15 per hour, is completely remote, and doesn't require technical skills, just the ability to follow guidelines and think critically about what makes a search result useful. 4. Transcribe audio for cash. If you're a decent listener and can type quickly, transcription might be your thing. Platforms like Rev, GoTranscript, and TranscribeMe let you turn audio files into text for podcasts, interviews, and videos. You can start with short clips and work your way up to higher-paying, longer files. This side hustle is flexible, can be done from anywhere, and helps improve your typing speed, a skill that's useful for other online jobs too. 5. Cashback and reward apps, surprisingly overlooked. This one is almost like free money. Cashback and reward apps pay you a percentage of your purchases when you shop online or in-store. Apps like Rakuten, Swagbucks, and InboxDollars also offer extra rewards for completing small tasks or surveys. It's not active work, you just shop like normal, and money comes back to you. Combine a few of these apps, and you could easily save or earn an extra $50 to $100 a month without changing your habits. So there you have it. 5 proven ways to make money online in 2025 without needing special skills. Whether you're looking for extra income, exploring side hustles, or just want the freedom to work from anywhere, these methods are practical, beginner-friendly, and ready for you to try today. Let me know in the comments, which of these are you most excited to test out? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell so you never miss future videos. I post every week on how to work from anywhere, grow your income online, and build a life of freedom, no matter where you live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.